Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to reverse a clip in After Effects. This is a simple process that can add a unique effect to your videos. First, make sure you have your video clip imported into After Effects. Drag your video clip onto the timeline to create a new composition. Let's play the video to see how it looks initially. So, here's a guy doing a dance in the middle of the street. This is the video that we are going to be reversing. Now, to reverse the video, right-click on your video layer in the timeline. From the context menu, hover over Time and then select Time Reverse Layer. After you do this, play the video again and you'll see that the clip is now playing in reverse. That's all there is to it. Reversing a clip in After Effects is quick and easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more tutorials.